Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We're going to be using a magic eraser to clean the HVAC register vent cover because it is all dirty and nasty. So let me show you how dirty and nasty it is, then we'll get cleaning. Alright, so this is how nasty this HVAC register vent cover is. It's all yellowish all through here. Pretty much disgusting. Right. Put the magic eraser between the louvers here. Just go back and forth, and what a difference. Whew, boy, this is what it looks like. Nasty. And I just do the next one, like this. Some parts of the louvers you have to push a little harder on to get the dirt off, but boy, what a difference! And all I pretty much wet this was regular tap water. Alright everybody, now that the HVAC register vent cover is now cleaned with one magic eraser, I'm very happy with the results. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.